Hey, what's up guys? Another episode of Cooking with Brenden. We got a fun one today. We're doing a little spin on lumpia, and we're gonna do lumpia pizza roll type deal. But what we're gonna use is we're gonna do ground pork for one batch and ground chicken for the other. I know some people have dietary restrictions. We got green onion, we got yellow onion, some carrots, some garlic here, and we're gonna make sure to blend that together, put it in some batches, have that freeze for 2 to 3 hours. And then we're going to use these sauces here. We can't forget about the soy sauce and a little bit of fish sauce that's going to go in the filling too. And then we're going to put it in the freezer. And you need these wrappers too, guys. So just make sure you have all that stuff, and let's get to cooking. All right, guys. So the first step here is we're just going to prep all our vegetables, and that's what I like to do. So we're just going to start with the carrots here, and we're going to peel them and chop them up. All right, guys, look at that. We cut the carrots up now, but what's really important is that this is still a little too big for our filling. So we're gonna put it in my trusty Food Ninja, and we'll see if we can fit all the carrots in here. But that's what we're gonna do with pretty much all the vegetables that we're gonna cut up. So just watch and follow this process here with me. Oh, you know what? I think we're gonna get all of them. And it's gonna be set up a little bit here, so this is perfect. Oh, perfect. All right, guys, got it loaded up. That should be plenty of cuts. And inside, just like that, and there's just a little bit, so we're gonna do one more. Now we're rocking and rolling. All right, guys, now it's the onions. Alrighty, guys, now we're just gonna cut the garlic up. All right, we cut up all the garlic, guys. So now we're gonna throw it in the Ninja.
You cut up all the garlic?
I peeled it. I should say I peeled it. And now we're gonna mix it.
Now you're mixing it.
And this, guys, is how we want it. Oh, well, let me get those other two. I'm just gonna cut those myself. But we want it all minced up because it's gonna go in that filling and just blend in. Alrighty, guys. Now just the green onions. It's still gonna be fine.
It wouldn't focus.
All right, guys, this is the best part. We got all of our vegetables cut up and diced. So we're gonna throw the chicken in one pan, and we got the ground pork in another pan. And we're just gonna cook this up here. Oh, shit. Always take the wrapper off first, guys. And then we're also gonna do the same with the chicken here. There we go. And then stay tuned because we're gonna cook this up, get it just a little slightly browned, and then we're gonna add the vegetables, and we're gonna get this filling ready. All right, guys, so we're just browning our meats and just making sure that they're ready, and then once they're cooked enough, we're gonna add the garlic, and then we're gonna add the onion and the carrot in that order. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, it's cooking away. So now what we're gonna do is just gonna add some garlic to each of it, just like that. Add some over here, just like that. Look at that, cook in there. Oh, that's more. It's a lot of garlic, but you don't want too little.
Very inefficient.
Perfect. All right, now we're gonna add the onion, guys. Probably got too much onion, so we don't need as much. But let's just try to blend that amount in right now. I think I might have overdone it on the onion, but we do want to get a good amount in the filling too. All right, guys, we wound up throwing all the onion in there anyways, and we're gonna throw in all our carrots now. Just want to make sure to get enough in each batch. Yeah, there we go. And then we're gonna cook that in there too, and soon enough we'll put the sauces in next, guys. Okay, guys, so we got the soy sauce. We're gonna do a tablespoon of each. And then we're also gonna do a little bit of fish sauce here. And we're just gonna do 1 teaspoon of fish sauce in each one as well. And then blend that in there. And we're gonna pepper it up too. A little pepper, a little salt. Pepper and salt, guys. Ooh.
Gotta do all of that, man.
Oh! More pepper than that. What do you think of all the pepper in there, guys? Nice. Give me some of that salt, too. I need some salt. Always season your stuff, guys. In Ireland, they didn't season anything. So just for all the people watching in Ireland, maybe, pepper and salt is awesome. All right, guys. So we got the meats all ready. So now we're just gonna let it rest for a few minutes, and then we're gonna throw it into the fridge, and then we're gonna let it cool down for another, I'd say, hour or two, and then we're gonna come back and actually put it into the lumpia wraps. All right, now we're just gonna add the green onion in, guys, because we didn't want to add it too early to where it would be lose its color and be soggy. We kind of want it to keep its shape and everything, and then we're just gonna mix it into our mix. And then in another couple minutes, we're just gonna throw it into the fridge. Alrighty, guys. So we finally got a damp towel to put over our lumpia wrapper, just because they dry out so quick. We got one that's coming off, oh, pretty easy. Oh, but look at that, kind of oh no. Okay, so we lost one. We lost one in the process. Oh, this is upsetting. This is so upsetting, guys. Anyways, we're just gonna move forward and bring this over here. Because what we're going to do is, I want to do it like a pizza roll style. And we're actually going to cut it into, oh wow, that's not working at all like I thought it would. There we go. There we go. Get ready. It's coming. Perfect. We're going to do the chicken here first. And then a little glop on each one. Then we're gonna just like,
is that your pizza roll?
Just like that. And then we're going to use a little slurry. It's cornstarch and water. And to all my ancestors watching, I'm so sorry if I let you down on these lumpias. They're going to come together. Just keep watching. We'll get this going, guys. Probably need to just dampen up those wrappers a bit more. Yep. And then we'll keep going. We're going to keep rolling these up. We'll see you soon. All right, guys, so a little bit of crazy mishap. They're not quite the pizza roll shape I was hoping for, just because when I was trying to cut it with the pizza cutter, it, sorry, Auntie Ella, I know I probably failed you. But we still got them, and it's crazy because they're actually really hard to wrap. It's probably the hardest part of the process. But we're going to throw it into the freezer now for an hour, and then we're going to fry them up. And then stay tuned. Just nice to be done with freaking wrapping it. That is the hardest part. Auntie Ella, Lola, I'm so grateful that you guys made it look easy. It's going to be in there for an hour, and then we're going to fry it. Hard part's done with now. What is up, guys? We are set. We finally have all of our lumpias been frozen for over an hour. And what we're going to do is I got a little bit of pork in this one. And we got more chicken than anything, and we're gonna throw in like I'll say 5 to 6 chicken at a time, and just get this going here. So let's be careful. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in my face. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You want to prevent overcrowding, and you want to be careful because it should only take a few minutes and that oil is boiling hot. So stay tuned. Guys, just so you can see, we're just frying along. Just frying along. All right, guys, so we got our finished lumpia. I got to work on my rolling technique just because of the wrappers are so difficult, guys. If you're ever doing this, make sure you're good on the wrappers. Mmm. Oh, damn. It tastes super good. The filling with the ground chicken and all the vegetables, the carrots and the onion in there is very tasty. Just make sure you wrap it right, guys. But otherwise, this has been fantastic. I'd give it a 8.3 out of 10. I gotta work on it. That's still a high rating, but I gotta work on the wrapping. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. It's been another episode of Cooking with Brenden. If you like that clip, feel free to click on this clip or even this clip. And then, hey, don't forget about that clip over here. Thanks, guys.